All right. All right, perfect. Okay. All done. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Log out. Settings. Switch account. Okay. Last but not least. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. How are we doing, everybody? Forgive me if I'm not actually engaging with you right now. I'm just trying to fix something. Perfect. Okay. Hey, Sajjad, how you doing, bro? Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay. How are we doing, everybody? All good? All right. Finally, I got everything to work. I had a issue with, with my profile. For some reason, I had everything just break on my OBS. Literally everything in my OBS just kind of went. So, um, it disconnected from Twitch. It disconnected from Kick. Everything kind of just disconnected, and it's done its own thing. Hey Tayyib, how you doing, bro? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey Abu Saad, how you doing? All right, you remember what I taught you, right? So we were just waiting for Price to do its thing. All right, Price is coming down. Gonna be looking for a pullback. Let me play some music. If the music's too loud, guys, let me know, yeah? Like if the music's actually too loud, let me know. You see it on gold? Sweet. Well, for me right now, I'm only looking at it on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500. Not really ideal for me to do it on gold right now because I'm still not feeling comfortable with gold. I'm still not very comfortable, but gold, you have these two entries over here. Got this possible entry if price comes down over here. Even better if price comes down over here. This would be the ideal places. All right, this is what I'm looking for. There is a pullback over here. If price ends up taking off without me, then obviously today I missed the move and there's not much I can do from here. Hopefully it doesn't do that, and hopefully it does actually come up from here. Okay, so we do see a pullback over here. I'm anticipating price is actually going to be taken out. I mean, if it does a pullback over here, that means it's probably going to continue. If we look at it on a higher time frame, there is a very high chance it's going to continue here without me. But I'm not going to FOMO. I'm not going to rush this. If it continues without me, then it continues without me. Let's see over here. My ideal entries. There's also a pullback over here. There's a pullback in every single stock market. It's literally taking off. Okay, gold has an entry position over here. Literally filled it perfectly to the T. It was a nice clean fill. Hello, hello, hello. Watch a level of 28,989. This is what you meant. Yep. Hello, hello. My limit is on 28,746. Yeah, it looks like I think we're gonna miss this move, guys. It's a move and it's going. This is the displacement here. This is the move. OBS is screwing me, guys. OBS. I'm blaming it on OBS. Literally, OBS came through and decided, you know what? Today, I'm going to mess around with you. Right before New York session. But gold looks good. Gold is looking good. Let's see. All right. Are we gonna see it come down to the displacement candle? Or are we gonna see it take off from here? I'm anticipating that gold is gonna have to come down over here, or it's gonna take off. It's either gonna take off from here, or it's gonna come down over here. And if it closes below this level over here, that means we're bearish. So we just have to wait and see. Freaking hell, man. If If you guys are wondering what song I'm listening to, don't be judgmental. This is like, I don't know if you guys heard of RuneScape, but RuneScape is like old school game. Yeah, really old school game. And this guy literally took their music and put like hip hop beats to it, and it's so freaking good. So if you guys know RuneScape, you know what I mean. Black Diamond, where you been? Finally made it today after a very long time. Yeah, it's been a while. It truly has been a while, my friend. Have you been? Okay, US 30 giving us another entry position. S&P 500 is creating another pullback. But I don't want to be taking these trades. I don't want to be taking trades. I'm very stubborn. I want it to come precisely where my entry will be. I want to buy it at a discount price. I don't want to buy it at a premium. But I'm gonna have to watch it leave without me. Not gonna risk myself, not right now. I'm good, bro. Yeah, it's good to see you good. It's good. So any trade right now? Has anyone actually taken any trades? I just cleaned up the charts for you guys just a little bit. Since these levels have all been broken into, you see how they're all broken into? And they become void, irrelevant, once they've been broken into. Alright, are we gonna get another entry position or what? It's another pullback. This is another pullback on the Nasdaq. Sell on 4088. You think so? You think this is all manipulation? Could be. Possible. Well, I'm in a buy trade over here, okay? And I have my stops. I have a very tight stop loss, so I'm in a buy trade over here. So let's see what happens. If price stops me out, it stops me out, but I'm in a buy trade over here. Very tight stop loss. So let's see. All right, let's check out the main thing that I want to take a trade on. Nasdaq, US 30. See how it respects this high over here. Those of you who are joining the mentorship would know this. I was expecting liquidity to put proper structure for sell on gold around 4092, but it didn't. Where the stop? Bro, I don't give signals. Can't tell you where the stop is. Alright, let's see. This could be a manipulation on gold. But let's see. I got a good feeling. I'm still watching the market. Okay. We missed NQ, صح? Yeah, I feel like we did. I don't think it's gonna come down over there. I don't think so. Even US 30, it gave us a nice opportunity, but it's like it's still like this is equilibrium for me. I don't want to do equilibrium. I have a good entry on gold, but it's about to hit my stop loss. If it hits, then that's it. I'm done with gold. But it looks like it might hit. It looks like it might hit my stop loss. Annie. Hey. Are you a nightmare or what? Yeah, golden hit my stop loss. Got stopped out. So it looks like this is a manipulation. So for me, with gold, if I see, like it's an inverse basically. So you can see it now more clearly. Okay, you can see it very, very clearly now. So for me, I'm gonna see if I can find a pullback entry so I can ride this downtrend. Because if this is the case, this downtrend is gonna be a big downtrend. It's gonna go down for quite some time. It's already going down for days now. It's actually a full-on week of price going down right now. So this is where I'm gonna be looking for an entry. Okay, so it broke this low with a very nice displacement. It's gonna keep dumping for a while. The next pullback is where I'm gonna be entering. And if that hits a stop loss as well, then I'm done for the day, guys. I'm gonna end the day on an L. S&P 500, it's coming back down. There could be a chance that Nasdaq is actually gonna come down to our level. There could be a very good chance. US 30. Okay, US 30. I'm concerned this could be a fake out as well. So I want to see a pullback. I want to see a pullback here. I want to see a pullback. We got 30 seconds. Let's see what happens over here. Let's see Nasdaq. I'd rather take a Nasdaq trade, to be honest. Okay, S&P. Ooh, S&P is gonna give you a nice pullback. S&P 500 looking really good. S&P 500 looking real nice. Okay, I entered a buy on S&P 500. All right, let's see what's going on. US 30 also. I'm gonna enter a buy. All right. Nasdaq, no, I'm not gonna do anything. All right, I'm in a buy US 500 and US 30. For those of you who are in my mentorship, you'd know where to put your stop losses. Yeah. Okay, let's see what happens. Gold is, whew. Gold is going. Gold is moving. Still no opportunity to enter on gold. Okay, price is continuing to go down on US 30, US 500. Still filling the gap. See what happens. Everything is going down now, even the Japanese market. DE40, the German market, is going down. The Japanese market's going down. S&P 500 is going down. US 30 is going down. Stock market, Nasdaq is going down. Gold is going down. Everything's going down. Let's see what happens. All right. Let me read the chat. Sorry guys, I'm not looking at the chat. I was looking at the charts. I was expecting the liquidity with proper structure for sell on gold, but it didn't. Yeah. Where to stop, bro? I'm still watching the market though. Missed NQ. I don't like the structure for none. Yeah, none of them are actually looking really good. None of them today is looking really good, to be fair. To be fair. Let's see. If I get stopped out here on US 500 and US 30, if I get stopped out, I'm done for the day. I don't want to risk anymore. Definitely don't want to risk anymore. Because I already risked on gold and then I lost it. And now US 30 and US 500. So that will be 3 trades a day. If they all hit stops, it is what it is. I'll have to come back tomorrow, London session, and make it back. Let's see. Okay, gold is giving us an opportunity, but I can't take gold because I gotta stick to my rules. I gotta stick to my rules. I take 2 or 3 trades a day maximum, and if it ends up going, if I end up losing 2 or 3, that's it. I'm done for the day. So now it just really just depends on the US 30, and it really depends also on the S&P 500. So let's see. This could be a nice pullback over here for gold. In the midst of the storm, forget to drink water. Gold just gave us a pullback. This is your pullback on gold. Let's see how it reacts to it. All right, let's see everything else. US 30. You gonna stop me out, baby, or not? US 500, are you gonna stop me out or not? Excuse me. The markets are hunting me today, guys. Okay, so US 30, I got stopped out. In US 500, I'm gonna get stopped out too, I think. All right, US 30, it's an X for me. So that's 2 X's, US 30 and gold. All right. US 500, I'm still in the trade. NQ, 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 NQ. Ooh, ooh, NQ. Where is it? NQ. Ah. No. No, please, no. Oh, it's happening very quickly. NQ, NQ, NQ. Okay, wait. Because I don't see a pullback. I don't see a pullback, so it's... Okay, I entered. Ah. Okay, and then in this situation over here. It's not looking good for NQ. Yeah, the market's not looking good today. So NQ I didn't enter yet. NQ I didn't enter yet because it's what's it called? NQ is literally at a point of like there's no pullbacks. NQ has no pullbacks. Even with gold, you can see that even with the pullback, it's literally taking out the pullback completely. You can clearly see it, right? Nasdaq is not clean. Let's see. If price goes up here and it creates another pullback, I will enter, and I will enter heavy. If Nasdaq goes up higher, like let me draw a line. Let me see, where is there? Okay, if Nasdaq goes higher, okay, and it comes back down with a pullback at this area is where I will target, and it will go up from here. This will be my entry if it goes higher. But for now, I don't see a pullback here. I don't see it. Even gold is reversing. So people who bought here or here stopped out, including me. I bought here, I got stopped out here. Now came down, pullback. See that? It's very clean. So people who sold over here got stopped out. So now price is likely, with all of these price action being stopped out here and there, there's a very high chance that people are actually going to, like, they've lost here and they've lost here. So there's a chance that price is actually going to end up going up over here because that's what price does. This is literally the behavior of extreme manipulation. This is a manipulated market. This is the behavior of manipulation. So when price is doing this, there's a high probability that it's actually going to end up continuing to go higher. And everyone's just going to be looking at the charts like this and saying, oh my God, I wish. So let's see what happens in this regard. Okay, I'm still in the S&P 500. I didn't get stopped out at S&P 500, so let's see what happens over here. It will inverse. Yes, I have a feeling like this. And just Ibre, you're right. Something's not right with today's market. There's the 5-minute on gold pullback. Let's see. Yeah, this is a nice liquidity zone area. So there's a very likely chance that price is actually going to go higher from here. Based on what I'm seeing on the 5-minute chart, there's a chance it'll go up from here. There's a lot of manipulation in the market. This is crazy. This is probably the most manipulated market I've seen this week. From the whole week today, this is really manipulated. Okay, so Nasdaq is pushing. It's going up as anticipated. Okay, guys, we're still in the game. We're still in the game. Hold on. Don't like hold my beer, as they call it. Hold on. We're still in the game. My beer. Okay, I'm up in profit in S&P 500. Okay, did not stop me out. All right, there will be a pullback soon. Okay, I'm also in a gold trade. I entered a gold trade over here. I'll show you guys. But I don't feel good about it, so I'm probably going to end up closing it. It's covered my losses from my the previous gold trade that I lost. It's covering the losses, so I've entered literally over here. Okay, why? It's because of this candle. You see this candle over here? This candle closed above this. And since it closed above this, it confirms. Here, let me show you. It just shows you. This is a, fair value gap, comes down, price came down, it rejected with a fill, and it looks so clean, and then it closed above. So when it closed above, this is where I entered a buy position. Yeah. So let's see what happens over here. This is an inversion. You can clearly see it's an inversion. So I've entered over there. NQ need a pullback if it comes down over here. If it comes down over here, it will give me a clean indication for me. I shouldn't. I wish I didn't close my Nasdaq. I wish I didn't close it because it's right there. It's there's no pullback. But also, it literally respected the fair value gap completely. I would have been in some decent profits right now, but it's okay. See, trading, it's easy. It's easy. It's actually very easy, but it plays with your mind. It plays with your emotions. But I'm happy I'm still in the S&P 500. I'm good. I'm still in the S&P 500. I'm feeling pretty good about this, so let's see. And you don't play with the curtain. Leave it. Leave it. Good girl. Right, let's see. Okay. Guys, join the trading community. For those of you who are watching, literally, first of all, I need you to like the video. I'd really appreciate all the likes. It's gonna help with the algorithm. It'll be really friendly to the algorithm if you like the videos. So I'd really appreciate if you could like the videos. Okay, this is a pullback over here on the S&P 500. Okay, this is gonna be a pullback. All right, here's an entry position for Nasdaq. All right, we've got a pullback. All right. All right, let's see. I've got a very tight stop loss. Yeah. Let's see. All right, I've got my gold trade at break even. All right. You like the music? Is chill, bro. I need something chill. With the way the market is reacting today, I need this chill music. So close to my stop loss, it's crazy. This is a comedy, man. This is a comedy. Today is a comical day, guys. All right, this should be going up from here. All right, this is the tsunami wave. We've passed it. It should be a smooth ride from here. This is literally us right now, holding our seats. Ah! The market is literally wrecking us right now, gang. All right. I'm still in the Nasdaq trade, and I'm still in the S&P 500, and I'm still in the gold trade. And everything right now is looking good. But I'm still in overall losses. Today I'm in overall losses for now. Okay, Nasdaq, it just stopped me out at break even. Don't like what I'm seeing at all. This is so bad. You guys seen this shit? It's crazy. My gold trade is currently carrying my S&P 500. But I have it on break even, so it could literally come back to my break even and stop me out. But it's not looking too good, guys. Today's sessions are not looking good at all. At all. This is so bad. This is so bad. The price action today is so bad. Look at that. Price went up. First of all, manipulation. Then it went up. Came up here, rejected off of this level. Came all the way down. Rejected off of here. There's an imbalance here. So now it's like going from up to down and then up and then now down. So it's like, this is crazy. Yeah, I'm still in my trades. I don't want to be in the spaghetti. Yeah. I'm still in the trade. S&P 500, I have my stop loss as it is. I haven't moved it. And gold, it's the only thing that can save me right now. I have my gold trade and it's at break even. If gold goes higher from here, I'm good. It's gonna keep going higher and that's it. I'm good. And I'll cover my losses and I'm good. But if it goes lower and it hits my break even, that's gold out. And now I need to depend on S&P 500. And if S&P 500 continues to go down, then it is what it is. And I don't want to close early. I don't want to close early because, you know, I gotta respect the stop loss. So if it goes to my stop loss, it stops me out. That's it. If it doesn't, then it does. Whatever. You know how it is with trading, guys. When it comes to trading, you don't sit and you watch your P&L. You don't sit and watch your money go up and down. That is going to create FOMO. It's going to create emotional decisions. It's going to create emotions. You don't want any of this. You just look at the charts. Stay away from the P&L. Don't look at the trading terminal. You set your stop loss. You know your risk. You know what you're risking. You know all of these things. So you just keep it as it is. That's it. So Nasdaq is so sad. Because I know at the end of the day, there's a very high chance it's going to go up from here. But gold, I want it to go higher from here. S&P 500 as well. Okay. S&P 500 is moving. Gold is moving. I'm gonna leave it. It's gonna be like the next 30 minutes is where we're gonna know if it's good or not. Annie. Trying to figure out something. Yeah, I'm in profit right now. I'm good. Let's see. Okay, Annie, come here, baby. Come here. Are you stretching? Come. Put your foot down. Put your foot down. It's okay. Hey, baby. How are you? Hello. You smell so nice. You had a nice spa day today, didn't you? You smell nicer than me. Yeah, don't eat my headphones. No. No. Ow. Bitch. Annie, my headphones are not for you to eat. Should I really open your mouth with my hands? Ugh. Okay, I guess I can't hear music. I guess I can't hear music, Annie. Alright, the charts are moving in my direction. Finally. This is really a spaghetti roll that I really did not enjoy. This was an emotional mess. So messy. So messy. So S&P 500 doing the things it's supposed to. Alright, I'm gonna let it ride. Gold also doing the thing that it's supposed to. Alright. I have my gold at break even, so I'm not gonna move that, but the S&P 500 is doing good. I closed 2 winning trades. I need to keep it on. Bro, you close your trades at break even a lot, but for me, the break even trades, I'm very picky on them. I'm really picky on which break even trades. If I'm risking like a lot, I leave it on break even. But if I'm risking a little bit, I set it and I leave it. I don't move the break even. So for gold right now, I've entered a big risk, so it's at break even. But for the S&P 500, I didn't. It's a small risk. So if it ends up running, because that's usually what the stock market does, if it ends up running for quite some time, then it will give me some decent profits. But if it doesn't end up running, and it's just like small moves, then, you know, it's a small loss. So for the time being, this is like, I'm set. S&P 500, like if S&P 500 reaches over here, okay, I'm anticipating, like if it reaches over here, I would be at break even for the day. That's where I want it to reach. If it reaches here, I'm at break even. Anything above that, I'm in profit. And there's a pullback. You can see the pullback in it right now. It's a very clean pullback. It has a very nice pullback. So, Annie, come play with your toys. Play with your toys. Play with your toy. Yeah, so because it had this nice pullback, it's a healthy indication that price is actually going to go higher from here. How did you end up winning 2 trades? And I'm not talking about a 1 pip win. You made $2. That doesn't count as a win, bro. If you made $2, that's a break even. If you made $5, that's a break even. $10 is a break even. So, Annie, stop biting me. I am not food. Stop eating me. You will not win this fight. You will not win. You will not win when you try to bite me. Try to bite me, you're gonna end up in your cage. We'll see who's a winner when you're in the cage. S&P 500. It's been in the same place for practically an hour now, guys. We've been in the same place for practically an hour. Isn't that fun? Fun times. Yeah, I don't like today's session either. This was really bad. This is a really bad price action kind of day. But you get them, right? You get them once every week, sometimes twice, but it's usually once a week. You get them usually once a week. Yesterday was really good. Day before was really good. Right now, this is also decent. Like, I can't complain right now. This is actually really nice moves. In gold right now, I'm in heavy. So, I'm actually really close to break even. I'm still in losses, but I'm really close to break even. So, gold is an inverse, right? So you had the pullback here, 1, 2, 3, 4 pullbacks, and then also this is fifth one pullback. So these are really good signs for gold. Go away. So yeah. If you put that cutie into a cage, I'll fly over and make sure you're in the cage instead. Nelsie, what the hell? Have you seen my puppy? Come here, Annie. My friend wants to see you. Come. Come. Come here. Believe it or not, this is a puppy. This big thing is a puppy. Can you believe that? Golden retrievers, man. No. You smell so nice. You smell better than me today. You had a little spa day, so she got her nails done, she got her hair done, took a shower. All fresh. No, I mean, I closed the winning trades. Wa alaikum salam, bro. How you doing? I can't. No, you can. You can. You want to have her? You can have her. Nelly. She's biting non-stop. She's in the teething phase. So she just won't stop biting me. In the morning, she wakes me up. You'll take 5 of them. I mean, if I have her bred and she has like kids, you could take one, but you're coming here and picking her up and doing the paperwork. Chilling with you is better than the charts. You really think so, bro? You're so sweet. You know, I really can't imagine my life without her now. And I've been a cat guy my whole life, so yeah. The craziest decision I made, getting a dog. How you been, Nelly? It's been a while. I'm trading now, like full time on all my social media. I'm live on Twitch, Kick, YouTube, and TikTok. On multiple platforms. You're welcome to join the stream and learn something new every day. Lots to learn. Yep, every day, 5 days a week. Annie, what are you eating? I can hear something in your mouth. All right, guys, the choppy price action. I think that gold has reached a relative equal high over here, so it's going to be interesting to see what's going to happen over here. We just need to wait and see exactly what happens in this area. If price is going to reject or break. If it breaks, it's really good. That means we're going to be targeting much higher from here. All right, we're going to be targeting 4,109. And if that's the case, then I'm literally going to be making it rain today. So let's see. The NASDAQ, for the time being, is still in the spaghetti roll. Okay, price action is so shitty today on NASDAQ or the stock market in general. I'm still holding my S&P 500 trade. I have not closed it. I'm still in profit with it, but it's not pushing. Not seeing a nice push. Not seeing a nice push at all. I'm literally at break even on S&P 500. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. Gold is rejecting off of it. Okay, so we're coming back down. Let's see if it's gonna be a sweep of liquidity, rejection off of this area over here, or if it's gonna continue. Let's see. I've been good. Just lots of work at the moment. Got 2 business trips in the next 2 weeks, Hamburg and Berlin. Is it true that hamburgers were invented in Hamburg? I've watched a reel about it. It was like some sort of meme. Is it actually? That's crazy. God bless Hamburg. Can't imagine life without hamburgers. No, truly. Like, truly, God bless Hamburg. So good. The business trip sounds fun. You get to see different places, different hotels. Is a business trip in Germany? All right, S&P, NASDAQ just rejected off of this level. S&P 500 just filled this imbalance over here. Looks like a pullback. As long as it doesn't close below here, this could be it, guys. This could be it. This could be the move we've been waiting for. This could be the move we're waiting for. We need to see it push higher. Let's see what's happening on gold. I go abroad sometimes, but within Germany most of the time. Yeah, fair enough. Germany's a big country. It looks small on the map. It's actually pretty big. So you get to see a lot, for sure. Without a doubt. Do you get to go to the UK with your job? Because I know you love the UK. Life without shawarma? I'm actually craving shawarma, bro. You know, they opened a... I don't know if you're familiar with it. You must be, because like you've been in Dubai for some time. You guys know Jabal al-Noor. Jabal al-Noor cafeteria. So they have a Jabal al-Noor opened here in Mirdif, right next to my house. It's called Khafayef. Khafayef cafeteria. It's the same family from Jabal al-Noor. And I'm super pumped about it, man. I had a fazza drink. And, you know, it's got avocado, it's got mango, it's got passion fruit, it's got all these cool things. Plus shawarma together. It's so good. So good. Khafayef or Jabal al-Noor? It's so good, bro. They're the OGs. OGs of shawarma and cafeteria life. That's nice. Now let's see. We need to play League sometime. I see you playing League often. We need to play sometimes, even if it's a Swift play. Because I think your rank is... It's no longer platinum. I think you're higher or something. I'm not sure. I'm still stuck in silver. S&P 500 is not looking good, and so is gold. It's an emotional roller coaster, gang. We're getting abused by the markets. Are we going dumpski today? Or are we going dumpski? It's a very indecisive time. This is why it's taking this long. It's a very indecisive period. We're literally waiting for my price to either continue the break and go lower, or just go higher from here. Price is very indecisive. On the 4-hour time frame, it looks bullish. On the 1 hour time frame, also looks bullish, right? And on a 30-minute time frame, looks 50-50, but there's plenty of rejections on the downside. You've got support and resistance in a very tight like a very tight space. 15-minute time frame, you could see yeah, Annie. 15-minute time frame, you could see it's in a tight range. We've entered in a range. It was moving, and then now we ended up being trapped in a range. Ow, Annie, come on. Come on, baby. You're hurting me. All right, let's see. It really looks like it wants to dump. It looks like it just wants to dump completely. Straight to my stop loss. All right, gold is taking off again. Guys, I think I'm gonna just end the stream, and I'm gonna leave the charts as it is. Just leave it. I have my stops anyway, and no point watching the charts. No point to be in this emotional roller coaster. So I'll just leave it, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, market is in fact shit today. Tomorrow's SpaceX IPO. Yeah, it is. Sold my physical gold and silver before the crash. That's smart. But Q, knowing you, you don't have physical gold. You probably seen League. I've not touched League in forever, mate. Probably Valo, yeah. Probably Valorant. Because I do see you online. I see you online pretty much every time I go online. I see you. So, didn't pay attention if it was League or Valorant, but I do see you. I'll play in like the German servers. I don't mind. At the end of the day, I spam Sage, so I'm like a support. Put the wall and stuff like that. Khalas, send me a DM. Let's play. I try hard in Valorant. I'm actually really good at it. Surprisingly, I'm actually good at Valorant. Viper, Phoenix, and Sage. Those are like my mains. All right. Really not liking price action, guys. Really bad price action today. But now we're at a relative equal low for the S&P 500. So if it just goes lower from here, it's a stop loss hit. And if it goes higher from here, if you want your toys, go get your toys. Go get your toys. Go get your toys. So yeah, let's see. 90% of my money was in metals. Sure, bro. Qasim, you've trolled me enough. You can't troll the troller. All right. All right, gold is reversing. So it's gonna come down to... Yeah, it's going straight to my break even. So short-term imbalance came, filled. Just hopefully it's a sweep. Fingers crossed. Guys, you know, this is actually really exhausting. Looking at the chart and then looking at every single candle, it's exhausting. So I'm gonna close this the live. I'm gonna end the stream over here, and we'll come back tomorrow, and we'll see what will happen tomorrow with the SpaceX IPO coming out. It'll be really fun. Yeah, you're much better at Valo than me. I'm better at League. Debatable. Debatable. I'm crazy good on League. I just have noob premates or noob games. If you actually look at my bro, you could have been boosted. You could have been boosted, Nelsie. You could have been boosted. Let's be honest. You're pretty much boosted. Okay, you've got a team of people that teamwork. Yeah, spam the question mark. Yeah, go ahead. You've got a team that teamworks. You literally have people that teamwork. I don't have that. I play people like Master Yi. No one wants to listen to Master Yi. I play Jax. Nobody wants to listen to Jax. Alaikum salam, habibi. But yeah. Too bad to carry. I can't carry 1v10, 1v9. I can't do it. It's tough. But yeah, we should definitely link up. You know, I'm active every day, so I do have time to play 1 or 2 games a day. So definitely send me a DM whenever you see me online. It's good to hear from you, Nelsie. Thank you for tuning in. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the stream. As always, if you guys need the free ebook, be sure to join the Telegram and send me a DM and say hello. I'd like the free ebook. And also, if you want to join the mentorship is available. I just finished a class prior to this live stream, and plenty to learn. You know, you guys, the stuff that I teach, you're not going to find on YouTube. So you're going to be able to understand how to do, how to take algorithmic trading setups, and you're going to be able to, you know, increase your profitability with trading. I've been doing this for 5 years, every single day. I'm consistently posting my results every single day in the Telegram, and it's a great place for you guys to make some friends, other trader friends. They're like profitable traders, unprofitable traders. They're traders at the end of the day. They are our people, so you're more than welcome to join. Everybody's in the Telegram. Come through, bring your questions, post your charts, do your analysis, everything. Ask, use the Telegram, okay? All right, guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you same time tomorrow. Peace out.